Tips and tricks number 4. How to change the rotation of a bunch of boxes all at once. It works on shapes or text boxes. So come over here, select all the boxes that you want to change. Come up to Shape Format, go to Format pane, go to the size box, come down to rotation. I tried putting 0 in there, but I couldn't get it to work, so just hit an arrow. It'll go to -1, go back to 0, and look, they are all straight as an arrow. Well, let's say that you wanted to do it on a different page, so you've selected them all. You're going to copy them. You're going to come to a new page, and you're going to paste them. There they are. Go over to your shape format, format pane, same thing. Here we go. Now we're going to hit rotation, and they're all going to flip. Boom. It's a beautiful thing.